Press 1 plus or typing pedit.msc in the Run dialog. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Windows Settings. Security Settings. Account Policies. Password Policy. Double-click on Password must meet complexity requirements. Enable it. Then navigate to Computer Configuration. Administrative Templates. Windows Components. BitLocker Drive Encryption. Enter into Fixed Data Drive. Double-click on Configure Use of Passwords for Fixed Data Drives. Enable it. Tick Require Password for Fixed Data Drive. Choose Allow Password Complexity, then adjust the minimum password length for Fixed Data Drive. Click on Apply. When enabling BitLocker for a fixed drive, the option Use a Password to unlock the drive is selected by default. If the password length is insufficient, an error prompt will appear. If the password complexity is not met, an error prompt will also appear. You can apply this to the other types of drives as well.